Unfortunately, yesterday I forgot to record licensing my 4K DCI for my a7S III. I am registering my a7 IV today on the Creators app, so I was thinking maybe it will show me the same options. This is of course my a7S III. You open it up and then you go to the green planet functions and you connect to the smartphone. It will give you this QR code. Make sure you have the Creators app installed on your phone. In my case, I have my iPhone. I can see my a7S III, register my a7 IV. I go to pairing. I choose the 5G because it's recommended and it works much faster. And then I go to camera settings. Check available functions button. Check the license management. The upgrade for the a7S III appears in the licenses. So this is how to get there. I then pressed installed license and I got the license. I hope this was useful for you guys. See you in the next one.